Welcome, my name is Jason Jacobs. I'm here to teach you math while we were all quarantined inside with the coronavirus. So I'm supposed to be cleaning up my room right now, and you can see I'm kind of doing that, but I'd rather be with you right now teaching. I don't want to be cleaning up my room. I really enjoy teaching, not so much organizing. So here we go. We are going to do today 4/5 plus 3/5. Is that what I have? Oh, commutative property. 3/5 plus 4/5. So it could be 4/5 plus 3/5 or 3/5 plus 4/5. The sum, which is the answer to a addition problem, will always be the same. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna model it right. All right, here we go. We got 3/5 plus 4/5. You might be like, well, I see that's 1/5, but 2/10, 0.2 here, that is equal to 1/5, and it's also equal to 20%. So it's a little bonus for you. But we have 3/5 plus 4/5. Now, sometimes students do this and they think it is 7/10. Well, no, because watch this. When we put 3/5 together with 4/5, we get how many fifths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fifths. So 3/5 plus 4/5 is 7/5. So notice the numerators changed, but the denominator stayed the same. So 7/5, what does that equal as a mixed number? Because right now it's an improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's see what we have here. This here is 1 whole. And we're gonna see how many times does 5 go into 7? Well, it goes in once. So it goes in once with 2 left over. So 7/5 equals 1 and 2/5. Let me show you that here for completion. 1 and 2/5. And hey, there you have it. Adding fractions with like denominator. Now we'll come over here. You try these two on your own. Go ahead and pause the button right now while I do a little dance. Okay, here we go. Did you pause it? See, 7/10 plus 6/10. So 7 plus 6 is 13 over 10. So 13/10. Now, how many times does 10 go into 13? Yeah, that's right, once. So we have 1 and 3/10. So 7/10 plus 6/10 equals 1 and 3/10. This was an improper fraction, and this is a mixed number. Let's do 5/6 plus 3/6. So we remember when we add fractions, the denominator stays the same. And then we get 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have 8/6. This is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. And 6 goes into 8. How many times? That's right, once, with 2 left over out of 6. Hey, look, 1 and 2, 6. That can be reduced to lowest terms. What can you divide both 2 and 6 by? That's right, 2. They both have a common factor of 2. In fact, the greatest common factor. So we'll divide by 2, and we'll get 1 and 1/3 is our final answer. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay safe, happy, and healthy. And great job keeping up with your studies. I'll be here teaching you a bunch of math lessons to get you through this coronavirus quarantine with everyone off of school. So thanks a lot. My name is Jason Jacobs. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.